Alright, so you have an oil leak in your Malibu, like me. This is my third oil leak, and this has been because of the same damn reason. There's a fucking oil pressure gauge right here, right under this oil filter. This is your oil filter, and under it, there's an oil pressure gauge that keeps fucking blowing up on me. I don't know, but it keeps leaking oil. This is the second one I changed, and yeah, let me show you guys how to change. So this is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need your oil plug, and then you're gonna need a socket that is at 1 1/16, 75 through 831. They sell these at AutoZone. You ask them a socket for the oil switch. It fits perfectly. Fits it in there. They sell these at AutoZone. They're perfect. They fit perfectly on the. They fit perfectly on with the oil plug. You can check it. You know. You see, it gets a perfect lock. Okay. So now what you want to do is get the socket and go right through here, and you'll see the oil pressure switch right there. And just press it in there and get it in there. Get it in there nice and snug, and then get a ratchet and ratchet this bitch out. And there you go. I just removed it, and this is the old one. It's leaking to the inside. Move that bitch to there. And now same way to put it back in. It's easy to start it off with your hand. Start it off with your hand, get it in there, make sure it's going in there straight, and then tighten it up with the setup right here, and you're good to go. All right, and once you got your switch back in, put in place, you look for this tab right here on top. You see it right there, that tab right there. You get this, and this goes on the tab, and you're good to go. There she is. And then I would also recommend that when you do this, you also do your oil change at the same time. Do my oil change real quick. Make sure your oil's up to where it needs to be, and you're all set. Make sure